everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you must be knowing, I recently got my hair cut, right? Because it had been really long since I got a haircut and I really needed a trim because my ends were all dead because of the coloring process, and also I had a lot of split ends. I just could not look at my ends, so I finally got them chopped off. If you're having similar issues, I'm going to introduce a professional hair care range to you guys, which can be really helpful in strengthening your hair and prolonging your haircuts. It's called the Matrix Optilong Nourish Protect range. So this range has 3 products: a professional nourishing shampoo, professional nourishing conditioner, and professional nourishing leave-in cream. So before I talk more about these products, can we just appreciate the packaging of these? It looks so beautiful. Of course they are professional, so it has this professional touch, and also this is my favorite color. Red is my favorite color. Okay, I'm also wearing red today so that I'm matching to these, and I also have a red phone. I just cannot stop appreciating these colors. Like, just look at that. If you like red, you would get what I'm saying. So anyway, let me just share more details about these products. So this range provides specialized care, and this entire range contains ceramide, which reduces your hair breakage and protects your hair from split ends. So now let me share how I've been using these products in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to cleanse your hair. For that I use the Optilong Professional Nourishing Shampoo. This shampoo gently cleanses your hair and removes all the buildup, all the greasiness you must be having. It is enriched with ceramide and it nourishes and strengthens your midline, and it also protects from split end damage. Next I use the Optilong Professional Nourishing Conditioner. This conditioner is really moisturizing, which makes it easy to manage your hair and detangle it. It is also enriched with ceramide, which will nourish your hair and also strengthen your hair and protect it from split ends. You're supposed to apply the conditioner as usual from midlengths to the ends and let it be in your hair for a few minutes, and after washing it off, my hair feels really soft to the touch. The next step is to use the Nourish Protect Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream. Even this is enriched with ceramide. This product is really good to strengthen weak hair. So if you're having any hair breakage problems or you're having weak hair, just use this leave-in cream after you wash your hair. It's going to really nourish it and it's going to strengthen your hair so that it doesn't break, and it will also protect against split ends. So if you're having a lot of split end issue, this can really help in preventing more split ends. So let me just share the clip in which I show you how I've been using it. So I'll be using the leave-in cream now. It's runny. So I take about this much and apply from mid-lengths to the ends. Okay, by the way, my hair is damp, it's towel dried. So what I had done is I used a microfiber towel wrap. So by the time my hair was in that wrap, I just finished my makeup and now my hair is damp. I really love the consistency of this. It's very runny, and focus the most on the ends, okay, because they need it the most. And now I'm going to scrunch my hair. So I'll just diffuse my hair and be right back. You can style it however you usually do. You can blow dry your hair, you can let your hair air dry, you can diffuse. Just follow with your regular styling routine. So this is how my fully dried hair looks like using just the leave-in cream. I have a lot of volume today and they are feeling very lightweight, and they dried so quickly because the leave-in cream is really very lightweight. It's not very heavy, and since I have short hair now, they dried so fast. I love the results. It makes my hair look really healthy. So if you want to maintain your long hair, if you already have long hair, if you want to maintain the length, or if you're trying to grow your hair, this range can be really helpful in making hair look really healthy and manageable, and you're gonna have reduced split ends so that it's easier to grow. The shampoo I have has 350 ml of quantity and it costs 500 rupees. It also comes in a 200 milliliter bottle which costs 320 rupees. The conditioner has 196 gram of product and it costs 470 rupees, and the 98 gram version costs 260 rupees. The leave-in cream contains 98 ml and costs 445 rupees. There are discounts on the whole combo as well. So if you're having weak hair issues, hair breakage, split ends and all these hair problems, this range can be really beneficial. I'll leave the links to buy these products in the description box below so you can check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and today's comment shout out goes to Pooja Tiwari. Thank you so much for your comment. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and sometimes on Wednesday. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.